the first portion, we showed you how to drain the water for a conventional gas style water heater. Here we have an electric hybrid water heater, which is going to be a little different for the process in getting it to the point of draining the heater. You're still going to turn the water off here, making sure it's perpendicular with the piping, but now on this there's no gas valve to turn off. So in this case, we're going to have to go over to the electrical panel and make sure that the breaker is turned off prior to draining the water out of the heater. Open your electrical panel, find the breaker for it, and flip it. Then it is now safe to drain the water heater completely, hooking up the garden hose to the bottom, running the end of the garden hose to the nearest floor drain, and opening that hot side of a faucet upstairs just to help drain the heater a little bit quicker. After the electric water heater has been completely drained, you need to make sure to fill the water heater all the way up and let the air out of the lines before turning the breaker back on. If you turn the breaker back on prior to doing that, you will blow your elements in the water heater. Very important.